Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel! For today's video, we're going to unbox this Sony Extra Bass Portable Bluetooth Speaker. So this is wireless speaker SRS-XB12. I bought this one in Carrefour for only 149 Qatari Riyal or 2,000 pesos in Philippine money. So let's open this, guys. There are actually various colors for this. This one I bought color orange. There are actually various colors like black, blue, white, and orange, but it depends upon the country. So some other countries don't have all the colors. And of course, I chose orange. You know, girly. Let's open this. We have this information, so how to use the wireless speaker, and then we have this wire for charging, guys, and another one. We have this speaker, so it's very handy, guys, promise. So, and the color is nice. Let's open it. Just tear it up, and and we bought for only 149 QR, guys. So yung adjustments. Okay, so it's very handy. The SRS portable wireless speaker features extra bass. So this is for deep, punchy sound and battery life of for up to 16 hours, guys. So this one will long last for 16 hours. It is also waterproof and dustproof for your peace of mind. Get things going with extra bass. A passive radiator works with the mono speaker to enhance low-end tones, giving bass a boost despite the compact size. Wherever you go, extra bass can go with you, guys. Thanks to this compact and easy to carry SRS-XB12, enjoy enhanced and low-end tones from a speaker that is easy to carry everywhere and anywhere. With an IP67, speaker can survive being dropped from water. So the add rain shower or accidental spillage won't pose any problems. The speaker has been tested to and maintains its operability when gently submerged in water to a depth in 1 meter for 30 minutes, guys. This speaker you can bring anywhere. You can bring it in forest, in the pool, desert, or wherever you like. The speaker has been tested and continues to block dust after staring for 8 hours in a testing device which contains dust particles. However, do not place this in the system directly on sand, such as in a sandbox or in a sandy beach. This is very nice, guys, because the battery life long lasts for 16 hours. When the specific music source is used and the volume level up, the unit is set to 27. Time may vary depending on the temperature or condition of the weather. The SRS-XB12, guys, is wireless, and you can bring this, as I've said a while ago, you can bring this everywhere you wanna go. With a detachable strap, you can bring it like this, and you can go anywhere you wanna go. So just bring this like this one, and this with the music, so everything is nice with this. Note that each speaker is a mono speaker, so if you want a stereo sound effect, just simply connect two speakers wirelessly for stereo sound. However, this is only compatible between SRS-XB12 wireless speakers. When watching movies using this speaker, add function, there may be a gap between video and audio. And as per our search in Google, the rating is very good. Okay, guys, the rating for this is from 1 to 5, and 5 is the highest, 4.3. So now one. Oh guys, it's so nice. So I like the sound. It's perfect. The quality is very good. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope you buy someday. This is now on sale in Carrefour, so better buy one. Actually, this one is very nice. For me, I'll give like 4.5. The sound quality is good. The features is good. The design is so nice. So I'll give excellent. And the ease of use, it's very handy and it's not heavy, guys. So you can bring anywhere. Excellent also. So it's the ease of use. It's very nice, guys. So hope you like it and buy one for you guys. It's worth it. So that's end my unboxing and hopefully you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching!